Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I just bought myself a new spin brush and I wanted to show you. I absolutely love these. This is like the only spin toothbrush or electric toothbrush I've used for over a decade. They last a really long time. Mine was just kind of getting gross, so I decided to treat myself. Look, it's beautiful and shiny and new. This could not be easier to use. First of all, I love that it just fits in your hand perfectly. You have this little place here for your thumb. All you do is you hold it against your teeth and the spin brush does the work. Let me turn it on and show you. So you can see on top, that top part spins. Let me turn it on again so you can see that turn on. So there it is off and then it's on. So that spins and it cleans each tooth, kind of like when you go to the dentist and they have a little spinny brush. And I just hit each tooth and that's it. This just pops off and you can replace it with this. Again, you can get the replacement heads. The bottom part here comes off. It just pops off. It already comes with 2 batteries, which is great. And then this is where you change the batteries. Love this guy. So treat yourself. Love this. It is, to me, such a bargain. I've looked at other electric toothbrushes. They are so expensive. This one is under 20 bucks for all of it. Love it. Check it out.